everyone, I hope you all are enjoying your precious moment and doing fantastic. So this is Shivani Yadav and today I will share my view to you on a new launch of AI. So in this video we will talk about a most interesting text to image AI generator tool that is called MIDJourney. Within the MIDJourney tool, you can create your desired super realism images within some seconds just by entering your simple text commands. So this video will not discuss the basic nature of MIDJourney, but we will also cover the step-by-step process from basic to advanced configuration. So without mattering whether you are a beginner or an experienced user of AI, this video has got you all covered. So alright, let's begin. To start the process, first you need to go to your browser and search for discord.com, that is discord.com. Discord is a chat website and a chat based application as well. You can download it to your system or simply open it up in your browser, but for now we will open it up in the browser. Opening the Discord interface, first click on the login option appearing in the top right corner and let's log in by filling out the required details like the email ID and password. In case you don't have an existing Discord account, then click on the register option just after clicking on the login button. Now you have to fill out the basic details like email address, username, password, date of birth, etc. And after that click on the continue button. As you have entered the Discord app, now you need to go to the green color server, which is known as the Explore Public server, or you can say Explore Discoverable server, and look for MIDJourney. So here you can see the MIDJourney server with a boat icon. As you click on it, you will see the Join MIDJourney option on the top mid. Click on it and join simply. Once you have joined the MIDJourney AI Discord server, you will see multiple newbies channels or rooms there, so you can join any of them to check out what type of images it has generated yet for others. The MIDJourney AI tool is a paid application, so to have even a trial you have to take its subscription. There are two ways to go its subscription page. First, you can simply type /subscribe and press enter in any website channels. It will redirect you to a page that would look like this. Here you can see 4 subscription plans are Basic, Standard, Pro and Mega. Mega plan are accessible at $8, $24, $48 and $96. So if you are looking for yearly billing, you must go to these plans only, but if you are looking for monthly billing, then you will see plans like this, like $10, $30, $60 and $120 monthly. In case you are facing some queries related to MIDJourney performance, then you can scroll down the pricing page and check out the FAQs there. Another way to go to its subscription page is simply to open up your browser, search for MIDJourney download and click on the first link. Next, sign up for it by clicking on the sign in option appearing on the bottom right. Just after clicking on the sign option, MIDJourney will always ask you some queries, so you just have to click on the authorize by scrolling it a little down. Therefore, it will redirect you to the pricing plans again. Go with the preferred one. Once you have taken any preferred subscription, you can convert your text prompt into images. For this, you have to just type /imagine /imagine like this and then put your command after entering the space. For example, command your text like /imagine create an image of a duck tolling retriever sitting in the back of a white jeep. Its fur blowing in the wind as it looks up at the blue sky with a blissful expression on its face. Then the result would be like this. In your every image or image query response, you will get 4 images. This is because the AI do not know what kind of thing is going to your mind exactly. So it will show you the 4 response. Additionally, the MIDJourney AI gives you the 4 upscale, that is U, and 4 variations, that is V. That will look like this. The U or upscale will help you to increase the size of your image, while the V or variation will help you in getting an advanced level or variation of your image to make it more hyper realistic. If you want to change the variation of size, means upscale of your first image, then you have to click on the VI or UI accordingly, and same goes for the other pending 3 images. This means U1 refers to the first image, U2 refers to the second, U3 belongs to the third one, and U4 is for the fourth image. And the same goes for V. If you don't like any of the image from the grid of 4 images that AI MIDJourney has generated for you, then you can click on the refreshing or blue one button, which does look like this. This will help you to get a better result that would be more relevant to your text prompt by regenerating 4 images based on your text command. Once you have decided on your image and given the command to increase its size by U and make it variation by V, then the final image will show the sum text would be like this. Basically, the MIDJourney AI configuration has been done. But now, I will inform of you some advanced prompts and commands that will assist you in making your operation more advanced. For example, if you want to add the blended effect to your image to make it more realistic and amazing, then you can use a blend command, which is /blend. Generally, people know only the command /imagine that is used for converting the text into images, but here we will tell you some special prompts that you may use for performing the various functions or adding some special effects to your image. Let's give a look at them. /blend for merge or blend 2 images together. /ask to get an answer to your query. /doc to generate a link of all the topics that you have been covered in the user guide. You are allowed to use this command only in the official MIDJourney Discord server. /describe allow you to upload an image and generate 4 possible prompts based on that. /FAQ to generate a link of all popular crafted channels FAQs. /fast it is used to switch into the fast mode. /help to get the basic information and tips about the MIDJourney bot. /info to get the information about the account. /prefer option to create a custom option. /prefer suffix SUFFIX to add a suffix at the end of every command. /public to switch your working into public mode. If you are working in a private mode or any private room, you are allowed to use this command only in Pro plan. /settings to view and adjust the setting of your MIDJourney bot. /shorten to make your long submitted prompt concise. /stealth STEALTH to switch into the stealth mode. This command will only accessible in Pro plan. /tune TUNE it is to customize the look and style of your job based on your prompt. /turbo to switch into the turbo mode. /imagine to convert your text prompt into an image or to create an image. For your help, we will mention all these prompts into our description. You can check into our description. Okay, I hope you found this video beneficial. If you have any questions, feedback, or are facing any issue related to MIDJourney AI tool, then feel free to share or leave them in the comment section below. We will try to resolve them as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. And you can also share it with your friends who might benefit from this information. So thank you.